So here we have a fast magma cool associated with small crystals. Here we have a slow magma cool associated with small crystals. Here we have a fast magma cool associated with foliated rocks. And here we have a slow cool associated with foliated rocks. Okay, so this one is going to go back to our gizmo. And two of these answer choices, so here we have crystal size and foliation. So two of these, crystal size or foliation, are dealing with metamorphic rocks, and two of them are dealing with igneous rocks. So you should be able to eliminate two answer choices based on it not having anything to do with an igneous rock, that it's more of a metamorphic rock. And then the other two answer choices, you're going to have to decide about what the fast versus slow characteristic gives. So hopefully that's helpful. Number 12, texture and composition are both used to classify rocks. Which of the following is an example of how a rock's texture gives clues about its origin? All right, so we're looking here at texture. There's really only one answer choice that's talking about texture here, so listen to those answer choices. Okay, A, marble is made up of only one kind of mineral, so its color is uniform and swirled. So we have color being uniform and swirled. Shale is made up of tiny grains that all have the same color, giving it a uniform, dull appearance. So we have the same color, giving it a uniform, dull appearance here. Granite is made up of the minerals quartz, feldspar, and mica, which give it multiple colors. So here we have multiple colors. And D, conglomerate is made up of round clasts, which are bits and pieces, cemented together, making it rough and bumpy. So here we have round clasts make it rough and bumpy. Okay, so which of those is talking about the rock's texture? And then finally, number 13. A scientist is conducting an experiment to investigate samples of metamorphic rock, which best describes how all of the samples are formed. So here we're looking at metamorphic rock and how the metamorphic samples are formed. So existing rocks were melted underground and became magma. So I would highlight melted and magma on this one. Molten rock was cooled slowly over time, forming large crystals. So I have molten rock, which is melted rock, that cooled slowly. Other kinds of rocks were broken into pieces as they weathered and eroded. And then D, the molecules in existing rocks were rearranged due to extreme heat and pressure. Okay, so which of the following answer choices best fits a description of metamorphic rock? Existing rocks were melted underground and became magma. Molten rock was cooled slowly over time, forming large crystals. Other kinds of rock were broken into pieces as they weathered and eroded. Or D, the molecules in existing rocks were rearranged due to extreme heat and pressure. And